Xo'sh, amsa tekst qarab qo'yinglar savollar. Mrs. living room deydi. Xo'sh, Mrs. living room qanday ekan bolalar? Is large. Xo'sh, amsa bu tekstni boshlashdan burun sizlar boshdan keyin karton filmini nihoyatda savrchanlik bilan bir ko'rib o'tamizlar. Okay, listen carefully, huh?
Mrs. Smith's living room is large. There is a television in the room. The television is near the window. There are some magazines on the television. There is a table in the room. There are some newspapers on the table. There are some armchairs in the room. The armchairs are near the table. There is a stereo in the room. The stereo is near the door. There are some books on the stereo. There are some pictures in the room. The pictures are on the wall.
Okay. Qaranglar. Mrs. Smith's living room is large. Okay. And then Mrs. Smith's demakchi Smith xonimning mehmonxona uyi is nima deydi? Large. Yo'g'on deydi. Endi kichik degan nima deymiz? Mrs. Smith's living room is small. Tushunami? Okay. And then there is a television in the room. Endi bu yerda har qanday narsani birinchi qatam tilga olganda nima ishlatamiz, tushunami? There is bar a television, bir televizor. Demak ki bir televizor bor nada in the room. Uyning ichida. Okay. Demak yeliq qo'y. Endi yeliq uy deb ko'rsatgan na desanglar, naqshu Simiz xonimniki mehmonxonani ko'rsatdi. There is a television in the room. Yeliq uyda nima bir dona televizor bor. Bir dona televizor bor. The television is near the window. Endi yeliq televizor. Endi musharika the Musharika dihning ko'rsatayotgan nima desanglar, aboy qatim men bir qatim tilga olgan shu television. Demak, endi sizlar so'zlaganda har qanday narsani birinchi qatim tilga olganda initialsizlar. Endi sizlar tushunami? Men bir ishni ko'rdim. Eliq shit ajoyib yo'q ekan. The dog. Ikkinchi qatim nima? The dog. The dog. Eliq shit. Eliq shit qaysi shit? Shu eliq. Eliq deganimiz shu. The dog. Demek ki the television eliqi. Qaysi televizor desa eliqi. Demek men televizor degan vallahi ma television degan so'z dunyodagi hamma televizorni ko'rsatadi. Chunki bu o'rtaq qism. Endi bizning ko'rsatayotganimiz shu Simiz xonimning mehmonxonadagi. Shunga ayadat mehmonxonada bir tal televizor bor ekan. Endi eliq televizor shu mehmonxona uyidagi eliq televizorni ko'rsatadi. The television is near the window. Eliqi derizga yaqin. Okay, endi o'sha so'zlashayotgan, paranglashayotgan narsaga o'rtaq narsalarni odatda oldiga the-ni qo'yamiz. The window demakchi eliqi deriza. Eliqi deriza cho'qim narimi shart ko'rsatayotgan Simiz xonimning mehmonxonasining derizasini ko'rsatadi. Tushunarlimi? Bu televizor naga yaqin? Derizga yaqin. Qaysi deriza? Simiz xonimning mehmonxona uyining derizasiga yaqin deydi. Okay. And there are some magazines on the television. Okay, and mishariki bir nechtal nim bakan jurnal bakan nada on the television. Demakchi eliqqa televizor. Qaysi televizor? Abay biz tayyorlatgan, kapshayotgan shu televizorning ustida bir nechtal nim bakan jurnal bakan. Endi ingliz tilida bor deganda savollar there be shaklini o'rgangan. Nima there is degandan keyiniga birlik keladi. Masalan, there is a book on the television. Televizorning ustida bir tal kitob. Demak, bir taldan taq narsalarga there is. And the ko'plik bo'lishi, masalan, some magazine, bir qancha tal anime jurnal. Bunga nima? There are. There is a table in the room. And uyda yana nima? Bir tal ustal bor ekan. There is a table. There are some newspapers on the table. Eliq ustalning qaysi ustal shu uydagi eliq ustalning ustida bir nechta tal nima bor ekan, gazet bor ekan. And there are some newspapers on the table. And there are some armchairs in the room. And öyle yana bir neçe tal nima ekan? Yo'lanchiqlik o'rindiq bor ekan. And heliqi yo'lanchiqlik o'rindiqlar, the armchairs shu o'ydagi are near the table. Hamda naga yaqin ekan bolalar? Ustalga yaqin ekan. Are near the table. And there is a stereo in the room. And uyda nima bor ekan? Bir ovozli yangrotqi bor ekan. And the stereo is near the door. And the was there are some books on the stereo. And sure, stereo no ustida bir nechta kitob bor. Demak, ham there are again there are some books, there are some blah 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 blah. And there are some pictures in the room. And the uyda yana bir nechta nima bor ekan? Rasmlar bor ekan. The pictures are on the wall. And the resimlar nari ekan? Tomning ustida ekan. The pictures are on the wall. Okay. Answer these questions and the bu savollarga bir javob berib beringlar. So, where is the TV set? So, where is the TV? And TV set degan shu televizor degan. Where is the TV set? Okay. The television is near the window. Shunami? Derizga yaqin. Yaxshi. Ikkinchi savolchi, what is on the table? And ustaldan ustida nima savolashlar? What is on the table? Hey, what is on the table? Okay, and there are some magazines on the table. Yeah, there are magazines. Good. So, where are the books? Kitoblar-chu. Sizlar kitoblarni savolashlar? Okay, the books are on the stereo, right? Yangroqning ustida. Okay. Our next one is translations. And the tarjima qilgan sakana savodashlar. And the uyning yenida uyga yaqin yerda bir mashina bor. And the bir mashina degandan nima? There is a car. Okay, there is a car near the house. Okay, and stakanda azraq suv bor. And then deymiz, there is some water in the cup. And the machine there is deymiz tanig'ini bo'lmaydiganning hammasiga there is keladi. There is some water in the cup. Okay, and the miyatchu darsxonda nurg'un o'quvchi bor. And the ko'plikkan go and the many students nima? Bar degandacha boshdan there is keladi armo. Albatta there are. Nima? There are many students in the classroom. And the macho daraxtning ustida nurg'un olma bor. Bu nima? There are many apples on the tree. Okay. And then nima desanglar? Partining ustida 3 tal kitob and 3 tal sumka bor. And then name there are 3 books and a handbag, like a school bag on the desk. And then partining ustida 3 tal kitob and bir nima sumka bor degan.